a stream.
And look, Bella! Birds! Birds! Hello, birds!
Hello! Hello! What a great place for a picnic. Here's the blanket.
Here are the plates.
The plates. And here are the glasses.
And we'll need knives and forks.
Are you hungry, Ben?
Oh, yes, I am. I am very hungry. What have we got to eat?
Would you like some cheese?
Yummy. Yes, please. I love cheese. And here's some bread with butter.
And jam to spread. Ah!
Here are the potatoes.
And tomatoes. And lovely milk to drink.
I love picnics. Huh? No, stop the cheese. Hey, come back.
Oh, no! Hey, Ben, look! No!
Our cheese, our tomatoes, our potatoes. What's happening?
Our food! Our food! Hey!
Come on, we'll follow it.
Yeah! Quietly. Follow me. Follow me.
Ants! Ants! So many ants! They're eating our food.
Yes, Ben. They're eating our food. They're hungry like you. Here, Auntie Auntie. Here, Auntie Auntie Auntie. Would you like some chocolate?
Oh.
Here's some chocolate.
Bella! Stop it! That's my chocolate!
Thank you. I'm Finn.
And I am Frank.
Hello, Finn. My name's Bella.
Hi, Frank. My name is Ben.
And that's our queen. Wow, the queen of ants. Oh.
Hello, Queen.
Hello.
Oh no! Look out!
Look out! Oh, oh no!
Oh dear!
Uh-oh.
Oh!
My throne! My throne! My throne is broken! What am I going to do?
Oh!
Don't worry, Queen. I can help. You can? Yes, I can. Bubble, bubble, bee. This is magic. Look at me. Look at my bubble. An apple broke your throne of old, but my magic's replaced it with a throne of gold. Oh, thank you, Bella. Thank you. What a great throne.
Yummy, yummy! Let's eat now.
Yummy, yummy.
I'm so hungry. I want some bread.
Wait a second, Ben. There's something missing. Look.
What is it?
Flowers! Let's pick some flowers. Flowers!
Flowers.
So many flowers. Ah, they smell good. Oh, a yellow flower. Oh, look, a blue flower. A blue flower. And look, over there, a red flower. A red flower. Lovely.
That's enough!
Huh?
Let's go back and eat!
Yummy.
So many yummy things! Oh, yummy, 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 yummy! I'm so hungry!
Okay.
My bananas! Oh no! Where are they? What was that? It was you!
No, it wasn't me. Oh no, our sweets! Hey, no, stop it! Who was that? You, Ben?
No, it wasn't me! No!
Oh, look! Our sausages!
My sausages! Stop!
Hey, stop!
Those are mine!
Stop it!
My sausages!
Oh no! Look, Ben, our cake! I don't like that! Hey!
Come on, let's follow the cake!
Okay.
What are they doing? They're eating our food! 1, 2,
3. Woo! Hey, kids!
My sausages!
Come on! It's time to sing
Yummy,
a
yummy,
song! Come on! Join in! La 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 la! Put a blanket on the ground. Place some plates and knives around. Take the glasses and the forks. This is how a picnic works. We lie under a tree. Look at what we can see. Birds and flowers and the gentle stream. Birds and flowers and the gentle stream. Come on, here. What have you got to eat? Potatoes and some cheese. And some jam to spread. Put it on your bread. And some jam to spread. Put it on your bread. Put a blanket on the ground. Place some plates and knives around. Take the glasses and the forks. This is how a picnic works. That's how it works. Now what do you say when your food walks away? What do you see? Who can it be? What do you see? Who can it be? Look at all the ants. Here's Finn and there is Frank. They love Ben and Bella's food because it tastes so good. They love Ben and Bella's tastes so good. Put a blanket on the ground, lay some plates and knives around. Take the glasses and the forks, this is how a picnic works. The Queen of Ants at home is sitting on her throne. An apple rolls into her home and smashes the throne. An apple rolls into her home and smashes the throne. Oh, she's sad now. The throne which was so old is now made of gold. Thank you, Bella, thank you, Ben, you fixed it again. Thank you, Bella, thank you, Ben, you fixed it again. I can help. Put a blanket on the ground, lay some plates and knives around. Take the glasses and the forks, this is how a picnic works. Put a blanket on the ground, lay some plates and knives around. Take the glasses and the forks, this is how a picnic works. Yes.
It's hot.
Oh, really hot. We need some sun cream. Here's some sun cream for you. We have to rub it in, like this.
Sun cream everywhere, sun cream.
Ben, you're covered in sand.
I'm a sandman. I'm covered in sand. From the top of my head to the tips of my toes.
Yes, you're a sandman. Ben, do it again.
I'm a sandman. I'm covered in sand. From the top of my head to the tips of my toes.
Ben. Let's build a sandcastle. A sandcastle with shells and flags.
Yoo-hoo! Great idea! I love sandcastles. I've got buckets. 1 bucket, 2 buckets.
Yes, buckets.
And shovels. 1 shovel, 2 shovels.
First, we dig the sand.
Then we put it in the bucket.
Pat it down.
Then turn the bucket upside down. Sandcastles. I put a flag on mine.
And I'm going to put shells on mine.
Cool. Sandcastles are so cool. Yoo-hoo! Hey, Bella. I'm hot. Let's go swimming.
Wow.
Come on in. Swimming is fun. Yeah, come in. Yippee! Woohoo! I'm swimming. Yeah, I'm swimming. Yeah.
Oh.
I'm swimming. Yeah.
Ben, look out!
Woo! Yeah. Woohoo! Cool wave! fish. Wow, Bella! Come, look! 2 fish!
Wow!
Hi, I'm Tim.
And I am Tom.
Hello, my name is Bella. Oh,
We are rainbow fish.
Rainbow fish.
We are yellow and orange.
And purple. And blue.
I've got a green tail.
And I do too.
I haven't. I have no colors. I want colors too. Yes, you have no colors. You're gray.
That's because he isn't a rainbow fish.
I haven't got any color. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
don't worry. I can help.
You can?
Yes, I can. Bubble, bubble, bee. This is magic. Look at me. Look at my bubble. Cheer up, Dan. And don't be glum. With my magic jumper, you can now have fun.
Wow, colors! So many colors! Thank you!
You're welcome.
Goodbye! Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye! Bye!
Goodbye, little rainbow fish. Bye-bye.
Bella! Come here!
I'm coming.
Let me see. Where's the sun cream?
Bye-bye.
Let's have a look in my bag.
Oh, yeah. What you looking for?
A flipper. Bye-bye, flipper.
Oh,
Is this my toothbrush?
no.
My snorkel?
Oh, snorkel.
But where's my sun cream?
Sun
Another
cream?
flipper?
No.
And what's that?
Huh?
My chocolate! Yummy! I love chocolate! Oh, no, it's chocolate sauce! Ugh, yuckity, yuckity, yuck, 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 yuck! Love that! Yucky, yuck! Oh no!
Oh, no. Oh, sun cream. Uh-oh, Ben.
Sit down, Bella.
Okay.
Have a seat.
Yes, I'll sit down.
Isn't it nice in the sun?
Yes, I like it. Look, Ben. Oh, look, Ben. So many clouds. Let's play I Spy with my little eye.
Great idea!
I spy. I spy with my little eye a duck.
Oh, there it is! A duck!
Yes,
Quack, quack,
a
quack!
duck. Your turn.
I spy with my little eye a train!
A train?
I can see what you can't see. I can see what you can't see. I see a train. You can't see it. Woo, woo, woo.
Ah, there it is. A train. It's your turn again.
I spy with my little eye a ball.
Oh,
A ball.
look!
A ball.
Look out, Ben.
A ball. Yeah. Yeah!
The kids.
Let's play!
Let's play. Hey, kids! I have a great idea. let's sing a song together. And you two,
Come on to the beach!
sing with us. Come on, sing with us.
Ooh, yeah! We're going to the beach, children! To have some fun! On the beach, in the sun, everybody's having fun. On the beach, in the sun, everybody's having fun. When it's hot outside in the summertime, we are going to the beach. When the sun is shining in the sky, sun cream's what we need. You can jump around in the sand, you can feel it with your toes. You can build a castle with your hands, how easily it grows. On the beach, in the sun, everybody's having fun. Ooh yeah! On the beach, in the sun, everybody's having fun. If you put the sand in the bucket and turn it upside down, you can put a flag or shells on it. Here's your castle now. There are waves that can be very small. There are waves that can be big. Before you jump into the sea, carefully look at it. On the beach, in the sun, everybody's having fun. On the beach, in the sun, everybody's having fun. Here are Tim and Tom, two rainbow fish. Can you see their colors shine? Yellow, orange, purple, blue, a green tail that looks nice. But and the fish, he is very sad. He has no color on. With Bella's magic jumper, he is having fun. On the beach, in the sun, everybody's having fun. On the beach, in the sun, everybody's having fun. Yeah! On the beach, in the sun, everybody's having fun. Ooh yeah! On the beach, in the sun, everybody's having fun.
Oh yes, that was lovely.
Bella, the tent's ready.
Well done, Ben. Come here. Look at the moon. Wow. The moon.
And the stars. Look at the stars.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Hey!
What a great song! Again, Bella!
Okay, let's sing it together.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I'm sleepy.
Me too. Let's go to our tent. Our tent.
Night-night, Bella.
Night-night, Ben. Night-night, Teddy. What was that?
It's a ghost! Ghost.
A ghost? No, it's an owl. An owl. It's not a ghost. Hello, owl.
Let's go back to bed.
What was that?
It's a a ghost!
That's a dog. A dog. That's not a ghost.
Phew.
That's a dog.
Hello, dog.
Hello.
Let's go back to bed.
What was that?
A ghost!
A ghost! A ghost! A ghost! Look, Ben, the ghost is scared.
Don't be scared, little ghost. My name is Ben.
Hello, I'm Billy the ghost.
Why are you sad?
I want to be a scary ghost.
You're right. You're not scary at all.
I know.
Don't worry, Billy. I can help.
You can?
Yes, I can. Bubble Bobble Bee. This is magic. Look at me. Look at my bubble. Billy's sad. People don't run in fright. But my magic mask and chains will soon put things right. I'm scared. I'm scary. Yeah.
Thank you, Bella.
Thank you. I'm scary. I'm scary. Night, night, Ben. I'm scary.
Night, night, Billy. Bella? 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 I can hear you. Psst. There she is. She's sleeping. Psst. Bella. Are you sleeping? Move over, will you? Nice. Night, night.
Stop it, Ben. I want to sleep.
Bella, stop it! I want to sleep too.
It's time to sing a song. Join in. Bella and Ben, they sleep in a tent. Out to the forest to camp they went. The moon and the stars are shining.